Namaskaram, I am Dr. Padmanabhan. I was initiated to yoga, mantra diksha and karma sannyasa by my guru Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga with spiritual name Purna Jnanam on the divine day of Mahashivaratri 12th February 2002. This PPT shows the yoga training conducted in social institutions for the teachers, the colleges and the universities. In this PPT, yoga training conducted in various social institutions such as in schools, universities, etc. included. Om Sri Gurave Namaha. Salutation to my Guruji, Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga. And this is the certificate given by Kannur University, UGC Human Resource Development Center. I conducted 13 reorientation programs for the teachers of different states, and the program includes both theory as well as practical, and all the teachers who attended this reorientation program had given excellent feedback about the simple and scientific teaching I made to them. And this is a photograph in which I am delivering the lecture in Academic Staff College, Kannur University. And this certificate is regarding the State Council of Educational Research and Training, which is an extension of NCERT, selected me as a resource person for preparation of Integrated Yoga Module Handbook for class 1 to 12 students of schools of Kerala. The books are already printed and the books will be immediately issued to the schools. And this is the photo for presenting PPT for preparation of Integrated Yoga Module Handbook for class 1 to 12 students of schools of Kerala in front of Education Minister Professor Ravindranath, Government of Kerala. And this is a photograph, a photo of Education Minister Professor Ravindranath. I have marked his name here, Government of Kerala and Director of SCRT. And during preparation of Integrated Yoga Module Handbook for class 1 to 12 students of schools of Kerala. And this is the first cover page of Integrated Yoga Module Handbook. Though it is written in Malayalam, it is Integrated Yoga Handbook, Integrated Yoga Module Handbook from class 1 to 12th. And this is the list of resource persons attended for the workshop for preparation of the Integrated Yoga Module Handbook. The first name highlighted within the green column is my name, Dr. Padmanabhan. And this is the certificate issued by Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kasaragod, and it is yoga workshop conducted for the teachers of South India as a part of their in-service training course at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kasaragod, Kerala. There were about 80 teachers in that program. And this is a yoga program conducted at Dr. Thomas Mar Athanasius Memorial Research and Orientation Center in Kottayam for 3 days, that is from 25 to 27 July 2015. And the participants of yoga program had given excellent feedback about this yoga training. This is, I am teaching Yoga Nidra to MSc Yoga Therapy students of Department of Yoga Studies, Central University of Kerala. This is, myself is being honored by the President. I am marked as one. Sri Parameshwaran Pillai was a former director of City Corporation of Trivandrum of Vasisthashram Vagaman. Vagaman is a very beautiful hill station in Kerala, Idukki, Kerala. And this is a 3-day yoga training camp conducted at Trivandrum. And this is distribution of certificate to Atta, and he was from Iran, who actively participated in the 3 days yoga training camp conducted at Trivandrum. And this is the participants, photos of the participants who participated in the 3-day yoga workshop conducted at Government Sanskrit College, University of Kerala, 2018. Okay, myself is sitting here around in the middle of these participants. And this is regarding yoga program conducted at Govindabai Memorial Government College, Manjeshwaram. 1-day workshop was conducted and students have given excellent feedback and requested to continue the program at least once in a month. And this is the certificate regarding yoga training conducted at the B.Ed Center, Mangatavaramma campus, Kannur University on 5th December 2017 for management of stress. And this is a certificate given by Kannur University, Kasaragod campus regarding 1-day workshop on yoga to the students of Bachelor of Education Kannur University conducted on 3/2/2020.